Another new arrival is the 1967 Chevrolet Camaro SS 350. Ermine White over blue. Beautiful restoration on this Camaro.
Very nice.
True RS SS 350. Aluminum heads. It's got an auto gear 4-speed manual and 12-bolt posi rear. And man, this car is just muscle car.
I want to meet the guy who developed the nose stripe because I think it's such a great addition.
It really is.
It's really cool. Who thought of that?
Yeah. If you haven't seen it, go check it out on our website. Like you can check out all of these.